Jiangyin Eternal Heavy Industry Company Limited was established in 2008. It is national high-tech enterprise, innovative small and medium-sized enterprise. Till now our main products include in all kinds of special steel forgings and heavy-duty hydraulic cylinder. Our special steel forgings include all kinds of alloy steel forging, mold die steel forging, stainless steel forgings. They are made for forging roll, forging shaft, forging ring, forging sleeve, forging plate, forging round bar. Its size is from OD 150 mm to OD 1000 mm. They have been applicated on petroleum machinery, mining machinery, metallurgical equipment, power equipment. We also make all kinds of heavy-duty hydraulic cylinders. They are installed on hydraulic press, extrusion press, and all kinds construction machinery. Our hydraulic cylinder pressure could reach 3,600 tons. Max length could reach 12 meters. Our company owns 2,000 tons fast-speed forging production line, heat treatment quenching and tempering furnace, middle-frequency induction surface hardening machine with 6-meter standing height, 500-ton straightening machine, all kinds of CNC lathe machine, CNC frame-type machining center, all kinds of quality inspection equipment, such as mechanical property test machine, non-destructive test machine. At present, our products have been exported to Europe, USA, South Africa, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, Peru, Chile, Korea, Vietnam, Indonesia, Middle East, etc., more than 80 countries. Our quality is accepted by customers. In future, we would devote ourselves to deep research and new market, and we expect to make a better cooperation with our customer.